Hello and welcome to a video where I'm going to be showing you how to do doe-san, the second yellow belt form of Tae-Kwon-Do. Turn left, hammer fist block, right punch. Turn 180 degrees, right hammer fist block, left punch. Turn 90 degrees to the left and knife hand block. Step forward, spear hand, and key up. Turn 360 degrees counterclockwise, left back fist, step forward, and right back fist. Turn 270 degrees clockwise and hammer fist, middle punch. Turn to the right, hammer fist, middle punch. Turn 135 degrees, double knife-handed block. Close both fists, right front kick, step down, right punch, and left punch. Turn to the right, double knife-hand block and grab. Left front kick, step down, left punch, right punch. Turn to the left, rising block. Step forward, rising block. Turn 270 degrees counterclockwise, knife hand strike, and knife hand strike. Key up. And that is the end of the form. Thank you very much for watching. If you were helped by this form at all, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.